Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A4 hood with a broken cable. First, locate the hood release lever inside your car, usually near the driver's footwell. Feel for any tension or movement in the lever to determine if the cable is completely detached or just loose. You'll want to have a flashlight and a pair of pliers handy before you begin this process. These tools will be essential for safely accessing and manipulating the latch mechanism. Understanding the cable's condition helps guide your next steps. With your tools ready, carefully reach through the front grille of your Audi A4. You're aiming to locate the hood latch mechanism, which is typically centered. A flashlight will be very helpful here to illuminate the area. Once you can see or feel the latch, use a long, thin tool, like a screwdriver or a coat hanger, to try and hook or push the release lever directly on the latch. Apply gentle, consistent pressure to disengage the primary catch. If you can access the broken end of the cable, try pulling it directly with your pliers. This often provides enough tension to release the latch. If the cable is completely out of reach, you'll need to use your screwdriver to push the latch mechanism itself. Look for a small lever or pin that moves when the hood release is pulled. Once the primary latch is open, remember there's usually a secondary safety catch that needs to be manually pushed or lifted to fully open the hood. Once the hood is open, take a moment to secure it properly with the prop rod. Then, thoroughly inspect the entire cable assembly and the latch mechanism for any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage that might have caused the break. Consider replacing the cable to prevent future issues, as this is a common point of failure. And hey, while you're tackling car projects, remember to stay refreshed. Check the description below for a link to the Audi water bottle and other great deals to keep you going. Proper maintenance now saves you trouble later, ensuring your Audi A4 remains in top condition for many miles ahead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.